Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and as promised, this is part 3 of the job sent in by my friend Steve at Fairlane Automotive in Niles, Illinois. Steve has requested the modern, this is my full Delco system conversion where I convert both the 8-track and the radio for optimum performance. Now we've already tested the radio. That was 2 videos ago. I believe it was number, 904 or something like that. 900 and either 904 or 905. But at any rate, we're not going to run the radio through all the tests because we've already done that just a couple hours ago. So I've got it set to a Mexican station so we don't get nailed for copyright. Because the main thing is to make sure that the 8-track and radio play nice. So here we go.
De tu reinicio de
Okay, so we
promesa,
got pretty
por
decent
la
radio line
santa
there.
misa que escuchas,
Let's
por
pop
las
in the tape.
oportunidades que tenemos de crecimiento.
Get the end of the tape there, or end of the, I think that... Okay, oh, running into a lot of end of the songs here, aren't we?
Hush, hush, bye, hush, hush, get to the blue. Rain is standing here, hush, hush, bye, hush, hush. You hear my prayer, hush, 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 the blue.
Alrighty. Pull the tape out, and the radio comes right back. So that concludes the test because we've already fully tested the radio and all the functions. So I'm going to stop here, and Steve will be happy that I'll be sending his stuff back first thing in the morning. And so I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. And if you if you download and print a work order, that will answer all your questions about my options, prices, and turn times. So rather than call me with a 15-minute barrage of questions, please do have a work order in your hand before you call me. And you probably won't need to call me once you've got the work order, but still, if you want to talk to me for a couple minutes, that's just fine. But no, don't call me with a 15-minute barrage of questions. It's going to drive me crazy. So, thanks for watching so much for watching, listening. Thank you, Steve, and my friends at Fairlane Automotive for the job, and we'll see you guys next time.